Hey everyone, welcome back to True Host Academy. Today we're looking into one of the most exciting and practical tools for business, ChatGPT. We'll be sharing some of the best prompts you can use to maximize productivity, creativity, and efficiency in your daily business operations. In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence is transforming the way businesses operate. Tools like ChatGPT can help you streamline workflows, generate creative content, and even enhance decision-making. But to unlock its full potential, you need to know how to use it effectively, starting with well-crafted prompts. Let's jump right in and explore the best ChatGPT prompts for business. 1. Business idea generation. First up, we have business idea generation. Need help brainstorming? Try this prompt. Help me brainstorm innovative business ideas in industry. This is perfect for entrepreneurs looking for fresh startup concepts or new product ideas. Just specify your industry, and ChatGPT will suggest tailored ideas that align with your market's needs. 2. Market research. Next, market research is a critical part of staying competitive. A great prompt for this is, what are the current trends in specific market? Use this to gather insights on market trends, customer preferences, and more. It helps you stay informed and adapt your strategies to evolving market demands. 3. Competitor analysis. Understanding your competition is vital. Try this prompt. Analyze the competition for business idea. This will give you a detailed analysis of your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Knowing this can guide your strategic planning and help you carve out your unique space in the market. 4. ChatGPT for marketing strategies. Let's talk marketing. ChatGPT is a fantastic assistant for creating marketing strategies. Here are some key prompts you can use. For content creation, generate blog post ideas for my type of business. For social media marketing, create a social media calendar for my marketing campaign. For email campaigns, draft an email newsletter announcing our new product launch. With these prompts, ChatGPT can help you create engaging content, organize your social media posts, and even draft compelling emails for your marketing campaigns. 5. Financial planning with ChatGPT. Now let's move into financial planning. Managing finances is essential for any business. Use prompts like, help me create a budget plan for my project, or outline financial projections for my startup over the next 3 years. These prompts will help you manage your resources, forecast your growth, and even attract potential investors. 6. Enhancing team collaboration. Efficient teamwork is the backbone of any successful project. ChatGPT can help here too. For example, create an agenda for our upcoming team meeting, or help me outline a project timeline with key milestones. These prompts will help you organize meetings and keep your team on track by breaking down complex projects into clear, manageable steps. 7. Customer engagement and support. Engaging with customers is crucial for building lasting relationships. For customer support, try prompts like, what are some common customer questions about product service? Or, analyze customer feedback from our recent survey. These prompts will help you enhance your customer service by preparing FAQs and analyzing customer feedback to improve your products or services. 8. Creative brainstorming with ChatGPT. Finally, let's not forget creativity. ChatGPT can be your brainstorming buddy. Try, help me brainstorm ideas for our next marketing campaign, or what are some potential solutions to specific business challenge? These prompts encourage creative thinking and problem solving, allowing you to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an invaluable tool that can boost your business productivity and creativity. From generating innovative business ideas and conducting market research to crafting marketing strategies and improving team collaboration, the right prompts can help you unlock its full potential. Whether you're looking to plan finances, analyze competitors, engage customers, or brainstorm creative solutions, ChatGPT can streamline your operations and provide tailored insights. By using these prompts effectively, you can enhance decision-making, improve efficiency, and stay competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. Thanks for tuning in to TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest business tips. Let's keep building smarter, faster, and more innovative businesses together.